Hey traders, this is Jeff from Zen Trader, and I wanted to give an update on my timing signal, bonds, the gold miners, and gold itself. So that's what you're going to see in this video. Got a lot of charts here. So let's start with the timing signal. I got long here, and we've done nothing but go down. It feels a lot like mid-July when I got short and sat through some uncomfortable upside, but it's difficult to say. I'm seeing some really odd mixed signals in the market. Here, my timing signal, I thought last night with the weakness in the after hours, or rather the yesterday's futures, I thought that we were going to really sell off in the morning and continue to sell off, and I thought that my timing signal would flip, and it didn't. It stayed strong, which is a little strange. The fact that we still aren't getting any leadership or any decent setups in individual stocks is a big concern for me outside of the mining sector, which is very strong. So, and we did go into under 30 on the RSI and a 60-minute on the Dow and the Nasdaq. I don't like that at all, but we did see some buying today. We closed well off the lows. So I'm going to wait and see what tomorrow brings. It's funny. I feel like we're going to go down more, but I don't trade with what I feel. I trade with what my timing signals. So this is going to be a really interesting experiment to see if we can rebound the remainder of the week and maybe get back into positive territory. I'm going to be really surprised. I'm going to be honest. I'm going to be surprised if this isn't a bust timing signal this time around. So it'll be good. On the Dow, we basically wrong chart, but what I did want to show you with this chart was last week I thought the 2600 would prove to be an important area of resistance, and it has. It bang on. So right now I see a lot of charts that look like this in an upsloping channel and an overall downtrend. We did bounce right at support today, so maybe from my standpoint and what I think is going to happen is maybe we'll rally over these next couple of days, I'm kind of looking to break even on this particular downswing. So maybe we get a couple up days and my timing signal flips back before we have the next leg down, or maybe we never get that leg down. Maybe we just continue up. I'm just going to continue to follow my signals and report them to you guys, and hopefully we'll make some money together. The markets are oversold when you look at the New York Stock Exchange advanced decline, so this does, it's not as oversold as it has been, but typically we do bounce. And when you look at TLT, this had exhaustion gap on it written around here. Now it's just getting a little bit ridiculous with the volume and the move up. This has a pullback, in my opinion, written all over it. The one area that I continue to talk about, and Karen continues to talk about, is the gold miners. I think this is going to be an area I'm seeing more and more individual stocks setting up with really good looking charts. I've already highlighted EXK before. ANV is an area like this. This is a very bullish chart. And then one chart that showed up on my scans today was Mindfinder's MFN. This is a weekly chart. And I really think that even though gold itself, here's a chart of gold. In my opinion, gold today, when it reached this previous top, that would have been a time to get out. That would have been a time, if you didn't get out here and you didn't take profits here and you sat through this pullback, that would have been a time to exit your positions, in my opinion. Gold's looking tired. Massive volume today. The RSI is not reaching new highs. This has oversold written all over it. I think it's going to fall lower. But the gold miners, I think they have the capability to move higher even if gold corrects. So this is something to watch for. This is a very bullish pattern. It's consolidating above the recent highs, and there's a lot of individual charts setting up and breaking out. I like this sector a lot. So if you're looking for momentum stocks to play, continue to focus on the gold miners.